Okay, Elias, here's the second part. Let's try to animate the mathematics. Let's pull a page from Sani's book and see if we can do the same. So here, this was the original part.
Rn. Notice that the dot product looks a lot like normal multiplication. However, don't think of the dot product as multiplication. In particular, associativity doesn't really make sense here. Dot products is equal
So let's change this. Okay, start.
to y dot x for every xy in Rn.
That's good. Okay, now here,
Notice that
the dot product looks a lot like multiplication. So let's see what we can do. Let's make a chart that says dot product with these two properties in green. So I'm going to give you the properties on a separate piece of paper. The commutativity is the first one, and distributivity is the second one. And multiplication also to green. Notice the ones on the left has arrows on them, and the ones on the right don't. So that's the first part. Just make these appear.
dot product looks a lot like normal multiplication. However, don't think of the dot product as multiplication.
So don't think of the dot product as multiplication. Yeah. So first make these appear, but don't think of the dot product as multiplication. So from there, make a not equal sign appear, the same one that you did, but with the two charts. Don't worry, I'll give you the equation separately on the charts. Good. Then,
In particular, associativity doesn't really make sense here.
associativity doesn't really make sense here. So what you can do, when they say that, you can put a pause, make associativity appear on the left in red, and make it appear on the right in green. Sorry, this guy shouldn't be here. Good.
Dot products only take...
So after a small pause, you go to the next page. And then on the left, you just write, dot products only take vectors as arguments. Good.
vectors as arguments.
Put a few seconds pause after that and just show that this guy is not a vector. Just write the red thing, make the red thing here, move all the way out, write this, and just make a little arrow that says not a vector and not a vector. You don't have to make each word appear at once. You can make all. You don't have to show each word one at a time. You can just show the entire thing. But this guy should be squiggling and saying not a vector, and this guy should be not a vector. They correspond to the things in the parentheses. And make them move around like a little bit. Okay, make them bounce. Make them small bounce back and forth, like hovering. And of course, my charts suck, and you are much better at drawing stuff. So, okay, good. Hopefully that will help, and I will send you this document.